moment you all been waiting for. He's little. He has a sense of humor. And he gets grumpy sometimes, whatever he wants to, because he's spoiled. It's a vector! It's the vector. I think I don't even know my own channel. It's Vector Brain we all love. That's my own intro because it's a new video. The Vector Brain. He's spoiled and spoiled. He's spoiled and he's spoiled. He's spoiled and he's spoiled. The Vector, he gets jealous. Hey yo, what is up guys? Today I'm going to explain how this challenge works. I am so early, we are so early. And Vector is so excited to see you. He's been missing you. He's been asking for the YouTube videos. And that's definitely not a mustache. That's just something he got in from the intro. I accidentally dropped him on accident. We accidentally got in a bit of a pickle, you know what I'm saying? Pickle. A pickle, that's not a pickle, but that's not a pickle. This will be a more good example of a green pencil. Yeah. But we're gonna be doing a YouTube video. We're gonna be doing a challenge, okay? We're gonna see who wins, okay? He thinks he's gonna win, but he suggests I go first. Yeah, you don't have to pray about it, but okay. I'm gonna close my eyes and we're gonna see. I have you know I'm the one. Oh no, I gotta skip my turn. You close your eyes, buddy. Close your eyes. You're gonna get ready for this. You're gonna get ready for me. Which one? Which paper you want, buddy? You want this one? You want that one? Yeah, what? That one? Oh no, Vector, you got it. Eat it. Even has a picture of you. You've been drawing? He made this challenge? You gotta eat the macaroni and cheese. But don't get him too much. It's really disgusting. That's the point of the challenge. Don't eat this out. I'm trying to like it. I'm a professional. You're professionals because of Vector. Ah! Cutscene! Commercial break! Yeah, commercial break! Exactly, you did it right. Have you ever heard of the weird helicopter that just flies around and just picks up everything without you knowing? And he's like, hey! And he turns to a paper! Okay, now that we got all freshened up, Vector's gonna eat the cheese. Eat it. Look at him. It's all over his face. Isn't that cute, by the way? It's not even embarrassing. I thought this was going to be embarrassing. I thought I was going to cry. It's just cute. Okay. He's eating some ribs. Okay. Okay, I need to get vector freshened up. Not that freshened up, but you know, freshened up. Just watch the commercial break. Hey, you kids, you want to learn how to draw your own vector at home? Well, you can draw your own vector at home. Now, I'll teach you how to draw your own vector at home. Now, I'm not that kind of person, okay? Like, literally, I'm not that kind of person. First, you need to put a line, okay? And then you put a square, okay? You start off with a square. And then you make another square for the eyes. To make a realistic one, if you want to be realistic. And then you want to make the arms, like a little human arms. Because it's really hard for that. I couldn't do that. And then you want to make his wheels how you see it. And then you want to make his flags. There you go. You have one vector. You can make it at home. And just buy it. It's vector when he was a baby. Ask your parents before buying. Okay guys, but I wasn't gonna give away this. I wasn't gonna buy it. I'm actually gonna give away this. I'm just gonna give away this. Since you know the coronavirus and all this because of Earth Day. I'll send it in the mail. It'll be in the link description. Okay. I also have extra pictures in the vector. It says each. Not really realistic, more than the other one. It's whatever you think. I think that. Yeah, there you go. And we bought a napkin for him. This is all I can do, like clean. At least we got like a picture to him. Well, let's go. Boo! I gotta eat it. Oh, freak! I gotta eat it all. Why do you make me so stupid? I am so mad at you. I'm so mad at you. No. Whoever eats this. I want to hear the one that was coming up. Leave in the comments, leave in the comments to discover macaroni, by the way. Also, I don't think we were supposed to do that. I think we were supposed to do the pour challenge, by the way. For the fans, you know? Oh, not actually, I do it because I love them. If you want, you can more feel my pain. Back there, please eat the rest. Please, you can't say you're full. It says you're full. Okay. Oh, that looks like macaroni. My mouth. I think that might be good. Okay, guys, I think I might end the video here. Victor's gonna go nuts if we keep eating macaroni, he says. I also suggest eating this at home. It was disgusting. By the way, blah. I'm gonna go eat dinner, real dinner. Because my mom's cooking. Okay, yeah, I got it in. I know how y'all get a chance to win the free vector game. It's called the vector game. And just in case we get sued, it's called Love the Vector Game. I'll pick him up in a minute because there you go. If you want to get the chance to win this and this, press on the link description below. I gotta, clean this all up. And bye-bye.